One device for truly hands-free cleaning experience. Welcome once again guys to the best place for your latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology presenting the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. This is not just a cleaning robot, it's a lot more than that. But let's start the video with the unboxing part. This really comes in a big box, inside which we have the 6-in-1 Omni station, washable mopping pads coming with the mopping pads plate, power cord, multifunction cleaning tool, instruction manuals, dust bag and the Deebot X1 Omni robot pre-installed with the side brushes. Let's have a look on the features of the Deebot X1 Omni. This machine has a 5000 pascals of suction power with the upgraded Osmo Turbo 2.0 dual mops spinning pressurized mopping system, where the mopping pads and the side brushes will rotate simultaneously, creating a 4 times stronger cleaning power than the normal one. It will give you a runtime of 260 minutes. Apart from this, it comes with the IV3D True Mapping 2.0 DTOF laser navigation with the advanced AI processor and 3D structure light sensors, which automatically identify and recognize common household objects and furnitures, allowing easy obstacle avoidance even in a very dim light, and even to map your home 10 times faster. Easily pick up debris, pet hairs and dirt from every corner of your home, and automatically boost the power when vacuuming on the carpet while maintaining tolerable low noise level. The biggest feature is the camera up in front. This will help you to view your home in real time and allow two-way communication with your families and pets. And also it has a built-in voice assistant and a support sound localization, which will follow your sound by just saying "OK Eco." The Ecovacs Home application can automatically map multiple floors and save their 2D map, so you can schedule and customize your cleaning by room or area. Adding device is pretty easy. Log in the app and scan the QR code under the lid of the Omni station and it will automatically add it. Now let's talk about the most amazing device, the 6-in-1 Omni station. This not only automatically empty the dustbin but also strongly scrap the mopping pad, and after cleaning the device activates hot air to rapidly dry and clean mopping pads. It has a 4-liter separate clean and waste water tank, which will automatically replenish clean water for the vacuum reservoir and pump up the dirty water into the waste tank. It also has a child lock, which will prevent children and pets from performing wrong operation. Also, it has a 3-liter dust bag, which is enough to carry dust and debris up to 60 days. So this was everything about the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and also give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.